Okay.
We'll figure it out.
We'll do it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we always welcome people into the backyard. And this is, people walk in and it's like, wow. I call this Jesse's factory. It's so well planned out and organized with the pumps.
The heart.
Of
The heart of the pool. Yeah, the heart. Back to the heart.
Back to the heart.
A lot of stuff here. We dedicated the lines for your water features for 2 years down the road.
I took your advice on the variable speed pump.
We do the variable speed motor on the system, so it helps control the speed of the pump, so you don't have to have too much water shooting out. Dedicated spa jets, spa motor line. Cartridge filter is a big thing, right? You used to have DE filter.
Yeah, DE filter.
And we changed it to cartridge, and what? Your life's been pretty simple?
I don't do nothing all year long.
And it's a saltwater pool.
Saltwater pool.
So we don't waste water on DE and sand filters because salt's a solid and we want to keep the salt in the pool.
Correct.
Well, let's go check out the pool.
Yeah, coming around.
Hey Mike, you want a Red Bull?
Sure.
You don't need one in this backyard. There's too much energy going on back here. In Mike's backyard, you don't need Red Bulls. You already got wings.
I call it paradise.
The backyard paradise.
I've named it since day one.
So?
I love my pool. I'm in it every night. Every night, this is my oasis.
No, I know you're serious.
It's currently running 94 degrees right now.
All the time.
I walk in the pool like this. That's how I like it.
Steam comes off in the morning when you wake up, right?
Probably, yeah.
So we call that money floating away. With an automatic cover, it locks in 94% of your heat loss.
I would love that.
But you have to have a rectangle pool, or you'd have to drop the whole patio down and make a rectangle square on it, and it would just kill the whole look.
Yeah, I tell everybody who's getting a pool, get
automatic cover.
Mm-hmm.
So when you have freeform, you have more design, more function, places to sit like a bench, places to sit like bar stools, a sun ledge, a hot tub.
Yeah.
You got all these things.
The design that you put together for me, this is the design mostly. About 85% to what you originally gave me. Accuracy.
Compared from rendering to finished product.
And your rendering sat on my refrigerator for 2 years.
That's right, I remember
As I looked and waited and saved money until I could pull the trigger.
I remember that. Because we originally had a water feature in the middle and they didn't have LED lights at the time. And he wanted LED lights. So we put in a new waterfall that you control this from your phone, right?
Yeah. Right. We replaced these two bubblers.
Pentair ones we did, yeah.
The Pentair one. At night, the brightness is the best.
The best, yeah. Well, we upgraded the lights to more powerful wattage, too. Went from 12 volt to 20 volt. San Juan, Treasure Island pool?
Treasure Island pool, San Juan fiberglass pool. This pool has never, ever turned colors on one.
Easy, 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
And you also have the inflow cleaners, too.
I do.
You like those or not?
I like the inflow cleaners due to the fact that the heat comes from the bottom. The cleaning is okay, but the heat aspect is the best. Like when you boil a pot of water, you heat it from the bottom.
Yeah.
Same here, the hot water comes from the bottom. Let's get it straight. When I first...
Let's get it straight.
When you first put in the hot tub, I was like, where's the jets? You said, they don't come with jets, it's a hot tub. Well, I said, what does that mean? Hot tub is just hot water. So we installed the jets and what do you call this?
Air blower, body jet system. So you have a Venturi injector which has the airs on the top. So we ran an air blower line all the way back by the system and we did a Hartford loop which stops the water from going backward. We plumbed everything into a straight line and even went in the center so that the water is even throughout the plumbing. Yeah, I would say like Venturi injectors where they shoot out the water and then we added the air blower on to give it that more powerful experience. But the bubbles in a normal hot tub or spa are just as fun too. This is more for therapeutic reasons as well. So it has a true 3 horsepower pump on this, dedicated for 6 jets.
The wow factor is what I always wanted back here. People walk into the back, they look at the filter, wow. Then when they come around the corner, they look at the pool, wow. And then when they see the whole aspect of the yard, it's like, wow. People say they have restaurants, don't look at this nice. Yeah, and as it gets darker, wait till all the lights come on.
Like if you don't have a big enough bird in your backyard, check out this bird. He's a little WD-40 on here. So I want everyone to take a look too. You know, it's a good time of the day right now where the sun's kind of setting and you're getting to see the ripples on the water. So in this pool, we did a lot of the eyeballs. The eyeballs, the return on your pool makes a big factor on the way the water will look. So either you can have a smooth glass finish with a different look by turning your eyeball down and returning all the jets to a smooth finish. I like to have the TV next to me in my house. I love having the TV. I think it's the best part of backyard. So we all hang out, big spa, like you have guests and people. We all hang out, watch TV, watch a movie on Netflix, and we just chill. We crane this pool over the house too. Just like in our other videos you're gonna see on YouTube. We did a fiberglass pool a few weeks ago. And I remember looking at your house. I remember when we lifted it over the house.
I had the whole neighborhood out here watching. Everybody was watching. That crane was huge.
Yeah, this was one of the biggest pools we ever craned over our house.
And you were directing.
And normally they say like, oh, the fiberglass is just easy maintenance, you know, better on everything. Even fixing, if you have to fix things, plumbing, like the shell doesn't go bad. So to fix plumbing is easily repairable. And you see a good company like ours, we come back, fix things. I hate to say it, we learn from our old jobs and we really do change on every job going forward. This job was like 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So again, one of my first projects, I learned a lot. The way we do automation, the way the outlets go, the switches, the way we set up the lights, the whole thing, the skimmers on the other side, just everything's really thought out, down to the barbecue layout, the sun, the angle of the shadows that night, just the whole experience. Music, where the speakers are for your neighbors, for you. Just really like, again, everything's really thought out, down to even the landscaping and long-term maintenance of the pool. Getting patio stains, just everything. What's up, Mike?
Thank you.
I love this guy.
I appreciate everything you've done for me.
Well, we're not going anywhere, so we're going to be friends for a while.
Yes,
Not just a pool sale, it's also turned into a relationship.
Our pool is not a one-time purchase.
No.